Louise Hay. Every thought we think is creating our future. Choose thoughts that nourish and support you. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract positivity and success effortlessly into their lives? What if there was a simple yet profound secret that could unlock this power for you too? Today, we delve into the teachings of Louise Hay, a pioneer in the self-help movement, whose methods have transformed millions of lives around the world. Louise Hay was not just an author. She was a beacon of hope who taught us the transformative power of affirmations and positive thinking. Her life was a testament to the principles she preached. Recovering from a troubled past and overcoming significant personal challenges, including cancer, Louise didn't just heal her body. She revolutionized the concept of self-healing. Through her work, she introduced the law of attraction to the mainstream, simplifying it for everyone to understand and apply to their daily lives. What makes Louise Hay's approach captivating is her unique method known as the secret prayer, which many claim has the power to manifest anything you desire into your life. But how does it work? It's not just about wishing for something. It's about creating an emotional and psychological blueprint for attracting what you want. This method combines affirmations, visualization, and emotional alignment to empower individuals to achieve their deepest desires. Imagine starting each day with a clear intention, a heartfelt prayer that aligns your deepest desires with your daily actions. Louise taught that what you put out into the universe comes back to you. She believed that by affirming positive beliefs about ourselves and our lives, we could transform our thoughts from barriers to bridges. It's about more than just positive thinking. It's about changing the frequency of your entire being to resonate with what you truly want. Now, you might be wondering if it's really possible to change your life just by changing your thoughts. Skeptics have doubted, but countless success stories have shown that those who diligently apply these principles often see remarkable changes. From improved personal relationships to career breakthroughs and significant health recoveries, the evidence is compelling. Louise Hay. If you want to change your life, you need to change your thoughts first. So what can you take away from Louise Hay's teachings? It's simple. The universe listens to those who direct their minds towards clear, positive goals. This video is not just an exploration. It's an invitation to try it out yourself. Who knows? You might just be a few positive thoughts away from transforming your life. Stay tuned as we break down the secret prayer and how you can start using it today to manifest your own miracles. Let's embark on this journey together and witness the magic unfold in your life. Let's embark on a journey through the law of attraction, as taught by one of its most influential proponents, Louise Hay. At its core, this law suggests that like attracts like. Your thoughts directly influence what happens in your life. By focusing on positive or negative thoughts, one can bring positive or negative experiences. This principle is not just a spiritual assertion. It plays a practical role in everyday situations, such as in relationships, career, aspirations, and personal growth. Louise Hay's life story is a testament to the power of this law, rising from challenging circumstances, including a troubled childhood and overcoming cancer. She harnessed these principles to transform her life, subsequently becoming a celebrated author and spiritual guide. Her teachings stress the significant influence our thoughts have on shaping our reality, a concept that resonates deeply with those who seek change. At the heart of her methodology is the secret prayer, a technique that combines affirmations, visualization, and emotional alignment to manifest one's desires. This prayer is more than just words. It's a spiritual formula that aligns your deepest wishes with the universe's energy. Each component of the secret prayer serves a unique purpose, aiding in the manifestation process. Affirmations strengthen the belief in our ability to achieve our desires, working deeply within our subconscious. Visualization, another crucial element, involves mentally picturing what you wish to achieve. It's a powerful tool that enhances the emotional resonance of your prayers, making them more potent. Meanwhile, emotional alignment ensures that your feelings mirror your desires, avoiding any internal conflict that might disrupt the manifestation process. Incorporating this secret prayer into daily routines can significantly enhance its effectiveness, turning it into a powerful habit that continually fosters positive outcomes. Many who have adopted Louise Hay's methods report remarkable transformations, offering personal anecdotes that range from overcoming financial hardships to achieving profound inner peace. However, like any technique, the secret prayer and the law of attraction are not without their challenges and criticisms. Some skeptics question the scientific validity of these concepts, while others struggle with maintaining the discipline needed to see tangible results. Despite these hurdles, the comparative analysis with other manifestation techniques often reveals that many share core principles with Hay's teachings, albeit packaged differently. Further enhancing the secret prayer's effectiveness involves refining one's emotional and spiritual alignment, continually practicing the visualizations and affirmations with sincerity and depth. The spiritual and psychological benefits of such practices are profound, often leading to a more harmonious and contented life. For those new to these concepts, starting might seem daunting. Yet, with straightforward steps and a commitment to daily practice, anyone can begin to experience the benefits. For deeper exploration, numerous resources are available, including Louise Hay's books, workshops, and videos, all designed to aid in your spiritual journey. Incorporating Louise Hay's secret prayer into your daily routine can be a transformative practice. Start each morning by setting aside a few quiet moments to recite the prayer, focusing deeply on the feelings each word evokes. As you move through your day, use affirmations to reinforce the intentions set by your morning prayer. This consistent practice helps to rewire your thoughts and align your energy with your desires. Many individuals have found success with this technique. For example, some report significant improvements in their relationships, career opportunities, and overall well-being after adopting Louise Hay's methods. These stories not only inspire, but also underscore the potential impact of integrating these practices into daily life. Despite its popularity, the secret prayer and the law of attraction face skepticism. Some common challenges include the persistence required to see results and misconceptions that it promotes passivity in the face of life's challenges. It's important to approach these techniques with a balance of optimism and practical action. From a scientific standpoint, while direct evidence supporting the law of attraction is limited, research in psychology and neuroscience suggests that positive thinking can influence behavior and improve one's outlook on life, potentially leading to better outcomes. Comparing Louise Hay's methods with other manifestation techniques reveals similarities and differences. Techniques like visualization, meditation, and scripting are common across many practices, but Louise's focus on affirmations and self-love is distinct and central to her teachings. To enhance the effectiveness of the secret prayer, it's crucial to maintain a clear and focused intention. Regularly update your affirmations and cultivate a mindset of gratitude and openness. This fine-tuning ensures that your practice evolves with your personal growth and aspirations. The spiritual and psychological benefits of the secret prayer are profound. Regularly engaging with this practice can lead to greater self-awareness, emotional resilience, and a deeper sense of connection with what Critiques of Louise Hay's methods often point to the oversimplification of complex life issues. While these critiques offer important perspectives, they also highlight the need for a balanced view that recognizes the benefits of her teachings while acknowledging that they are part of a broader set of tools for personal development. If you're ready to start using the secret prayer today, begin by choosing affirmations that resonate deeply with you. Recite these affirmations in a dedicated, peaceful moment each day, and maintain a journal to track your feelings and the manifestations that occur in your life. For those seeking to delve deeper into Louise Hay's teachings, numerous resources are available. Her books, such as You Can Heal Your Life, and guided meditation videos offer extensive insights into her philosophy and techniques. Additionally, courses and workshops can provide structured guidance and community support to enhance your learning and application of the law of attraction. Today, we've explored the profound impact of Louise Hay's secret prayer and its application through the law of attraction, a method that has not only inspired, but also transformed countless lives. Louise Hay taught us the power of affirmations and positive thinking, emphasizing how these can shape our reality. Her teachings remind us that our thoughts and words paint the future we experience, encouraging us to consciously direct them toward the outcomes we desire. We've discussed how to seamlessly integrate the secret prayer into our daily routines, suggesting that starting the day with focused intentions can set the tone for positivity and success. We've also shared inspiring success stories where individuals have manifested remarkable changes in their personal and professional lives, proving the efficacy of these practices. However, embracing this practice isn't without its challenges. We addressed common misconceptions that the law of attraction is a passive approach, reinforcing that it requires active participation and persistent effort. Scientific perspectives offer a mixed view, with psychological research supporting the benefits of positive thinking, even as direct evidence for the law of attraction remains sparse. We've compared Louise Hay's methods with other manifestation techniques, noting her unique emphasis on self-love and affirmations. To enhance the effectiveness of the secret prayer, we suggested maintaining clear intentions and a gratitude-driven mindset. The spiritual and psychological benefits of this practice are undeniable, offering increased self-awareness and emotional resilience. As we conclude, remember that the journey to personal transformation is ongoing. Louise Hay's teachings provide tools that can help align your thoughts with your life's desires. But the real magic happens when you apply these principles consistently and observe the changes that unfold. If you're feeling inspired or simply curious, why not try the secret prayer yourself? Start small, with affirmations that resonate with you, and see how the practice can influence your daily life. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey and the transformations you observe. And finally, if you found value in today's discussion and are eager for more insights into transforming your life through positive thinking and manifestation techniques, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us bring more content like this to you and others who are on a similar path to discovery and growth. Let's continue this journey together and see where our collective positivity and intentions can lead us.